Hi guys, welcome to a new week in the life of my hair. Haven't done one of these in quite a while, so I thought I'd bring you along my week. Today is Monday and it's wash day for sure. I just filmed a sleek bun like short for my other channel. That's where I post most of my shorts now, unless it's very specifically wavy curly type of stuff. Anyways, we love a good slicked bun before wash day, but it's time to get all of this buildup out of my hair. It's gonna feel really good. I'm far too pregnant at the moment to do my hair over the edge of the tub. So I will see you once I get out of the shower and my hair is clean, and then I'll show you what I'm using to style. But to wash my hair, I'm gonna be using these. This is the Monday Hair Care Curl Define Shampoo and Conditioner. I hauled these in my last video. If you didn't see it, I did like a affordable curly wavy hair care haul. Some new products I wanted to try. So I haven't tried these yet, but we're gonna try them out today. I'm very excited. Love the packaging of these, so cute. I am gonna be doing a video in the future reviewing all the products I got in that haul, and I mentioned it in that video, but I'm not really gonna be doing much of a review today because we're just trying them out. I will say they smell really good. When I smelled them before, I was like, that's a good hair care scent, just like fresh and a little bit sweet. Anyways, I will see you guys once my hair is clean. All right, time to style. I am going to quickly just use the Pacifica coconut milk leave-in that I've talked about a million times, and then kind of as my main styler, I'm gonna just use this Pacifica volumizing whipped cream or foam mousse. I looked it up after my haul, and when I bought this, it says on Ulta it's called like a foam or a mousse. I think mousse, but on the actual bottle when I got it, it says whipped cream. So I don't know, it does kind of have the texture of a lighter weight mousse, and I've been trying it out, so I'll just have to remember to link it anytime I talk about it so that it doesn't get confused. I will obviously share my thoughts on this in that review video too. Still just trying it out, but I will say so far so good. Anyways, I'm gonna take the leave-in. I love the sprayer on this. It just makes it so quick and easy to use. And because it's so lightweight, I don't have to worry about like overdoing it quickly. Then I'll take the mousse, whipped cream, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna do about that much on this side, and then I'll probably apply some more because like I said, it is lighter weight and I have a lot of hair. It's gonna be hard to see with this black shirt on. I always forget that. Maybe it'll be easier from the back. Anyways, what really matters is once it's dry. So I'll be back in a few hours because it's gonna take a while. I really need some chapstick. And like I said, for now, I'm gonna go relax a little bit. So I know you didn't get to see my day 2 hair super well. I tried to include some clips, but it was kind of a busy day. It doesn't look too different today, but you probably noticed in those clips too that it is a little bit stretched out. I am going to do a refresh today. I don't know if it was the shampoo and conditioner that made my hair really like silky soft, because it feels very soft. Even though that mousse does kind of leave like a little bit of a cast in your hair, I did have a very different experience with it the other time I used it. I felt like it held a lot more definition and clumping in my hair. So I don't know, again, if it was the shampoo and conditioner or the leave-in I paired it with, because the other time I used my Lush Super Milk. But I just feel like my hair is more stretched out and not super defined after like the first day. Hopefully you guys can see. It's kind of hard to get like a good angle with lighting, but I'm going to be refreshing it anyway. I'm going to dampen it and add a little bit of product back in, just because I feel like it's so stretched out and it feels very fine and soft, which is totally fine. Like, I don't hate this look in general, but sometimes I want a little bit more definition, and I want to film a hair video this week, so I just want my hair to be a little bit more wavy than it is right now. So I'm gonna dampen my hair with some water. My continuous Mr. Spray bottle is broken. I need to get a new one. I just haven't prioritized it. But I'm just gonna get some water on my hair with my hands or another random spray bottle, and I'll be right back. Okay, my hair is a little bit damp for sure, but I'm definitely not gonna use that mousse because I feel like that would be too much on such lightly damp hair. I want to use something that has a little bit more grit to it, I guess, than the leave-in I used on my wash day. So I'm going to use my Hairitage Strength Training Leave-In Conditioner Pudding. I still love this stuff. I've loved it for years. It sucks that it's kind of hard to get because I think you can only get it on like Walmart.com and maybe Amazon, but it's worth it. Honestly, I feel like if you use it for slicked styles, it's a dupe for the day hair cream, but you can totally use it for your curls as well. Just kind of smooth my hands over my hair and scrunch it in. I'm not gonna do too much scrunching because I don't want to create like a ton of frizz since my hair is just like a little bit damp. Honestly, I should probably get a new one of these because my bottle's getting pretty old, but it seems like it's fine. Okay, I feel like it already looks better. Just more body in my hair. It's gonna dry pretty quickly because there's not a lot of moisture in there. Yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like once it fully dries, but this is just gonna be my day 3 hair. Quick, easy refresh. If it's not looking too great tomorrow, I might put it in like a hairstyle. I feel like sometimes the next day after a refresh isn't always the best, but sometimes it turns out looking really good, so it really just depends. And it's different every week for what I do with my hair, but most of the time I'll just wear it down or throw it up in a bun or something. I don't usually get too crazy with my hairstyles, but it's fun to experiment every now and then with some stuff. So anyways. All right, here I am again in a slicked bun. I did skip a day because my hair just ended up being in a bun like this all day yesterday. I filmed a wavy hairstyle video after I did my refresh, and so it kind of just stretched out my waves all over again. And I did a slicked style in that video, so I just didn't really want to wear my hair down after that. And then, as you saw in the last clip, we went out for dinner and I did my hair in a slicked back bun, and then I just didn't really want to take it out of that. So I'm here again with a bun, and then later tonight I'm probably gonna do a wash day again. So it really varies on when I do my wash days. It depends on how well my hair holds up. Obviously, if I'm not doing a ton of styles, then it stays nicer when I wear it down. And I can go a little bit longer between wash days. Honestly, sometimes when I heat style, I go a full week because my hair just holds up really well. And it is a whole process to wash my hair, especially right now. Being so pregnant, like, it makes it a lot harder. And it was already like a task because I have such long, thick hair that sheds a lot in the shower and gets really tangled and everything. But ideally, I would like to wash my hair like every 3 to 5 days. That just doesn't always happen. Is it day 5 already? It does not feel like it's been that long. Probably because I skipped a day of like updating you guys, but yeah, that's definitely kind of like an average for me anyways. I just wouldn't always be wearing it up in a bun for multiple days in a row because, like I said, it just holds up better if I wear it down. It just really varies week by week, and you'll see that if you go back and watch my other week in the life of my hair videos, because they're definitely different and it depends on the week. So if you want to see what other weeks look like for me and some of those older videos, I'll try to remember to link them, but They're all on my hair playlists. I have multiple different hair playlists, but my main ones are the wavy curly playlist that has videos up to like 2023. I've mentioned this so many times. And then I have an updated hair care playlist with all of my 2024 videos, and obviously now the ones going into 2025. I think I have at least one video like this, maybe two on that playlist. So definitely check that out if you're interested. Once I wash my hair later, I'm probably gonna get on here, and I think I am gonna heat style just because I haven't the last few times I washed my hair, and I'm just in the mood for easy. So once I wash my hair, I'll probably do a quick little like overview, I guess, of what I'm doing to heat style, just very brief. Sorry if this is rambly, just wanted to update you on my hair, and I will see you in a bit. All right, so I ended up sleeping on, sorry if I'm out of focus, my damp hair, and it's looking a little bit crazy, but I'm just gonna do a quick straighten. I haven't done this in quite a while, like really a long time, but I just don't have the motivation right now to do like the loose waves or a blowout look or anything. I'm just gonna use my good old Tymo brush and do a quick straighten of all of my hair. It's just gonna be really easy to deal with for the next couple days. I'm just gonna section it off. Kind of lost my nice middle part, but that's okay. I feel like I can get away with less sections when I just straighten my hair. All my claws and pins and stuff ended up all over the house. Okay, I'm listening to Kristen John's podcast. That is what it looks like when I just brush it out. We're gonna smooth it with some good old heat. And I'm going to go back to listening to my podcast and quickly, hopefully, do my hair.